Okay, these are my wings I'm gonna cook today in my air fryer. The only thing I added to these wings, vinegar, 1/4 cup of vinegar, salt and pepper. So they've been marinating overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them in my air fryer. This is my air fryer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. Okay, this is the chicken. Go ahead and turn on the air fryer and let it cook. It's kind of noisy though, but you know, let's see how it bakes these wings. This is my first time using it, so we will see. These are the wings from the air fryer. They look really good. They are very crispy, and I added made some garlic sauce to go on top of them. Here's my plate with the garlic parmesan wings on it. These are from the air fryer. Very crispy. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.